It's week 5 of no rain here, and it has me stressed out. I barely have any rainwater. I have never given my indoor plants tap water, ever. I've always resulted to rainwater, and now I barely have any, and I'm praying for rain for these next couple of days. Like, can you come already? This has been the driest spring I've experienced in the last 2 years. We had the wettest winter of all winters I feel like I've ever experienced. I don't even have enough rain in here. Oh my God, that was gross. The water is yellow. But what can I do? It's fine though, because it's just for the plants. I'm not drinking this water. Do you see how yellow this water is? That's that's gross. I don't even want to use this for the plants. But I don't see an issue with it. At the same time, I'm kind of just like, it's okay because it's for the plants. But it's like, is that okay? What's happening in here? I don't want to do it. No. No, 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 no. That's really yellow. I've never seen it like this before. Oh, if you want to see, look at this. It's just dirt and debris from the roof, and it's just sitting here. And but there's like a film on top of this water. I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh my God! Can I show you? Do you see that film? Look at that film on top of that water. Oh my God! Look at how yellow that water is. I can't do it. I can't. I gotta dump this. There's no way I'm using this for the plants. No, no. Mm-mm. Am I really gonna dump this? I have no choice. The tap water is gonna be fine. Why are you doing this to me? Why? Why hasn't it rained? And imagine how dirty the roof is right now. Oh my God. Was I crazy to do that? Yes, I was. Now I gotta dump this out. I wouldn't do my plants like that. No, no, no. Absolutely not. Now I have no rainwater. I'm gonna clean the barrel. And I'm just praying for some rainfall these next couple of days. This is unacceptable. Mother Nature, what are you doing to me? All I'm feeling is stress right now. I'm feeling the stress. 5 weeks of no rain is crazy. And the day that it did rain, it rained like a tinkle. That's it. And again, I'm not drinking this water, and so I don't really need to go as far as washing it fully out. It's okay. This net works really well at keeping the bigger debris part, and then it filters out even more through this one, which I think eventually I'm gonna end up just taking off and just using this. It's pretty great. You can find everything in the link in my bio to build your own rainwater barrel, or you can purchase a rainwater barrel and start collecting rainwater today. I'm really upset right now. I can't believe I'm gonna give my plants tap water.